You again about a new uh, sort of fun little kit that we have in the Makerspace that you can check out for your kids. Just like the Makey Makey that I talked about previously, this kit focuses on building circuits. It's called Circuit Block, and basically it is a much more kind of kid-friendly way of doing some hands-on circuit building. So when you get the Circuit Block box, you have a Lego type board to build on. Inside the kit, there are all kinds of different pieces and then connector wires. The box has these little mats that fit on top of the Lego box that then tell the kids what to put where in order to create a project. So this one, for example, is the traffic lights. And so it sets up the whole circuit. There's a switch for them to turn it on and off. And then there's also a piece in the box that can light up red, green, or I think it's blue. Yeah, so not quite a traffic light, but you get the idea. And then they can adjust it and make it switch between the different colors. Just to give you kind of an idea of what you can do, this is one that I just put together. I knew that was going to happen. And every kit has a couple of like key components. So this big green block right here is an ammeter, so it actually measures the voltage that is going through. And then the source or the battery pack is right here. There are all kinds of different pieces that the kids can use. So for example, on this board, it's hard to see, I know, but I have two switches. I have a on-off switch, a toggle switch, and then I have one that you can turn to make it go more or less, right? So how much energy you're sending through the circuit. When you turn it on, you can see the fan starts to spin. That's one of my pieces. And then this blue piece is pushing out air, basically. Now this one isn't a ton of air, but you can see it's enough to keep a little foam ping pong ball going. Now I'm going to pause real quick and show you what happens when I take the fan out. Okay, so all I did was I took that little fan piece that was spinning around when I turned it on off, and now the only thing that I've got here that's actually producing anything from the energy is the blue fan system here. So if I turn it on, it's pushing air straight out of that fan, and then your kids can float a ping pong ball on top of it. There are just a ton of different things that they have within these kits that kids can create using circuits. There's one that squirts water. There's one that has these little fans that you can shine the light through. And these are pretty intuitive. I had my fourth grade spud time just mess around with these one day, and I was really impressed with all the things they came up with. So this is a really fun one. If you are looking for something fun or you're doing a unit on circuits and you would like to try it out, just let me know. These do have a barcode on them, so you will need to scan them with Charlotte or I when you check them out. And I hope you enjoy. Have a good day.